everybody, this is Jules of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I'm sharing this awesome new stamp that I created alongside of Nick of Magnuson Custom Stamps. Now, Unity Stamps has some amazing red rubber stamps, but Magnuson Custom Stamps creates custom stamps using that same amazing red rubber. So today I'm sharing a interesting idea that I had of kind of creating a wax seal of sorts, but for stampers. So using some Versamark ink, we stamped this little circle, and then using embossing powder and layers of embossing powder. So I used probably around, I'm going to say 4 or 5, but Nick was able to do it with 3. So I'm not sure which embossing powder he was using. I was using the Recollections, which might have been a little thinner. So when I first stamp the impression in there, so you can use this with any stamp, or you can get initials made, so it's a little more personal. So I had some initials made, JS, my new initials, and you know what, I just didn't like the way it came out. So the great part of embossing powder is that you can reheat it, remelt it, and do it again. So now the second impression was perfect. It really looks like a shiny wax seal, and you're using stuff that you already have. So that's just something fun that Nick and I were working on, and I was hoping that you guys would enjoy as well. For the front of stamps, they also offer this very simple line. Now, so I don't know what your penmanship looks like, but nowadays we barely write, so some of us have lost our fanciness. This is a great way to keep the lines, keep it neat, and when you're doing holiday cards, this allows some uniformity and the ability to do multiple stamps at a time. Now, the first thing I ever bought from Magnuson Stamps, Custom Stamps, was my watermark. So I just wanted to share some of the stuff that they do as well. So they have addresses. So if you want to, again, holidays are coming around, or if you want to do this with all of your cards, you can put your personalized address, a return address on there. This is another example of a two-step stamp. You say that a million times, right? 2-step stamp for your watermark. I chose to heat emboss the little geometric heart that I use for my watermark, but it's a great way to kind of have a little more variety for your cards and decorate those envelopes. Let's not forget that paper hug could you always use a little extra. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.